Myth and fear around hyaluronic acid have caused a lot of confusion online. So today, let's separate the fact from fiction. Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance already found in our skin. It attracts and binds water, keeping skin plump, hydrated and smooth. It doesn't cause cancer, inflammation or long-term harm when used correctly and when high-quality, purified, medical-grade products are used. The difference lies in formulation techniques. Some cheap or unregulated products can have impure ingredients or cross-linked agents that irritates the skin. That's why choosing a qualified practitioner and reputable brand is crucial. Molecules quality explanation. When practitioners say most clinics don't even know what molecules the hyaluronic acid is, they often mean that different hyaluronic acid boosters have a different molecule weights. Small, medium and large molecules. These determine how deep the product penetrates and what results it gives. You see, small molecules hydrate deeply. Large molecules stay more superficial for glow and firmness. At Cutting Edge, I always study the product formulation, purity and compatibility with the client's skin before treatments. So what is the difference between polynucleotides skin boosters and hyaluronic acid skin boosters? Hyaluronic acid boosters focus more on hydration, radiance and plumpness. They work by attracting molecules and improving elasticity. Polynucleotides, on the other hand, are derived from salmon DNA fragments. They are biostimulators, meaning they trigger your skin to regenerate, repair DNA damage, and increase collagen production. They're excellent for healing, redness, sensitivity, and anti-inflammatory effects. Hyaluronic acid equals hydration. Polynucleotides equals regeneration. Often I combine for advanced rejuvenation. First repair and strengthen the skin barrier with polynucleotides, then boost hydration with hyaluronic acid. Wow, skin.